Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss the limit of certain functions. These functions are a little bit different than the previous one. So let's see how to find the limit of these functions. So as you can see, here you have a function limit x goes to -4 square root of x square plus 9 minus 5 over x plus 4. So in this case, if you look at the limit x goes to -4, look at the denominator. At x equals -4, -4 plus 4 is 0. So in this situation, your denominator equals 0. So you have to do something before you find the limit. So look at the denominator. Here your denominator have square root of x square plus 9 minus 5. So if you see something like this, square root of if you see square root minus something or square root plus something or like this square root of minus something, so you can use difference of two square property. Here you can write down this one as limit x goes to -4 x square plus 9 square root minus 5. So you can multiply this term by x square plus 9 square root plus 5 to get the difference of two squares. So I multiply my numerator by something. So you have to do the same thing for the denominator. So here you have x plus 4. So you have to multiply this one by x square plus 9 square root plus 5. Like this. Then this one equals limit x goes to -4. In the numerator, you have the factors of difference of two squares. So then how do you write the difference of two squares? Square plus 9 square root to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 2, right? Divided by x plus 4 times the term x square plus 9 plus 5, right? So now simplify the numerator a little bit. So here you have difference of two squares, and you can write down this one as x square plus 9, right? Square root of x square plus 9 to the power 2 is x square plus 9 minus 25. I square is 25 divided by x plus 4 times x square plus 9 square root plus 5, which is equals limit x goes to -4. Here x square minus 16, right? Over x plus 4 times square root of x square plus 9 plus 5. Okay. Now here again you have difference of two squares in the numerator. So you can do factor out that one, x minus 4, right? Because 16 is, here you have x square minus 4 square, this term, right? Numerator is like this. Is x square minus 4 square. So you can factor out that one as x minus 4 times x plus 4 over x plus 4 times square root of x square plus 9 plus 5. So now limit x goes to -4. As you can see here, x minus 4 times x plus 4, x plus 4 in the numerator and x plus 4 in the denominator. So you can cancel these two. And then the rest is x minus 4 in the numerator. And the denominator you have x square plus 9 like this. And see, as x goes to -4, your denominator is not 0 now. So now you can use the limit law. Limit x goes to -4, numerator, divide by limit x goes to -4, the denominator, like this. Okay. Then what's the limit? At x equals -4, -4 divided by -4 square plus 9 square root plus 5. So what is this? This one equals -8 over 4 square is 16 plus 9, right? Which is square root of 25 plus 5, which is -8 over square root of 5 is 5 plus 5 is 10. So you can simplify this one a little bit, which is -4 over 5. So the limit of this function equals this, -4 over 5. So let's look at another function, limit x, this times it is t goes to 0, 1 over t times 1 over square root of 1 plus t minus 1 over t. So as you can see, t goes to 0, denominator is 0. Here in this denominator is 0, this denominator is 0, right? So let's first look at the common denominator here. T goes to 0. The common denominator is t times 1 plus t in square root. So this is the common denominator of these two. And numerator is here 1 minus. So this term I should multiply with 1 plus t square root. So when t goes to 0, denominator is 0. So you have to do something. As I said before, here look at the numerator is 1 minus square root of something. So here you can use that difference of two squares in this situation. So t goes to 0. It's 1 minus 1 plus t square root. So you multiply with the other one, 1 plus t square root. So I multiply the numerator with 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. So you have to multiply the denominator as well. So here you have this one times 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. Now you have limit t goes to 0. Numerator you have this. So you can write down this one as 1 minus 1 square minus 1 plus t square root to the power 2. Denominator you have t times square root of 1 plus t times 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. Limit t goes to 0. Numerator you have 1 minus square of square root is 1 plus t, right? We have 1 plus t here over t square root 1 plus t 1 plus t times 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. So now limit t goes to 0. numerator is 1 minus 1 minus t. Because you have negative sign outside, so negative 1, negative t. So here you have square root of 1 plus t, 1 plus square root 1 plus t. And then limit t goes to 0. Numerator you have negative t divided by t times square root of 1 plus t, 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. So here you can cancel this t and t, and then limit t goes to 0, negative 1 divided by square root 1 plus t, 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. So now you can substitute t equals 0 for t now, because now denominator is not equals 0. So 1 plus 0 square root times 1 plus 0 square root. We apply the limit, right? So then this is negative 1 over, here 1 plus 0 is 1, square root of 1 is 1. This one, 1 plus 0 is 1, square root of 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 plus 1, it is negative 1 over what is 2, right? 2 times 1 is 2. So negative half is the limit of this function. So I hope you understand what I did here. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.